What's up, guys? So back today with another episode of Lured and Outdoors. I moved out to western Minnesota, so I'm in the Detroit Lakes area, and today myself and my new roommate Tanner, we're gonna go out, we're gonna try to catch some crappies on one of these local lakes. One of his buddies has been out fishing, and he asked him, he's like, hey, any suggestions on lakes to fish? We want to get out, and I don't personally know this area. He knows it a little bit. He's from Fargo, so he doesn't know it that well, but we got good hints on some crappies, so we're gonna get out there, go drive about 40 minutes to this lake and get on some crappies. They said they're biting. He was out there this morning, so we'll keep her tuned and hopefully we can catch a few fish. Right here.
He was saying between the black one and green one.
Yeah, you might be able to see beds. Oh, there's that. Wait, that's a muskie. Wait, no, is that a sturgeon? What the hell is that? That wasn't a muskie, was it? No, definitely wasn't. Man, these lakes are weird over here. What's up?
I was just gonna ask if like choked it enough to where you're gonna have to keep it because it's tired.
No, he's alright. Okay, I think it's a sunny. Here we go. There's crappie. Over here. There's another one for grease. This one my buddy said, oh, that's a good one for the grease. On the small side, but I don't think we're gonna keep a ton, but we'll keep a few. You can stand back here too if you want. That's a nice one. Your turn.
Go out on the other side.
Yeah. I'm at like 6. 3 in the live well, but after this one. Perfect eater. Watch your left foot just there. There you go. That's nice. Stick, mud, something like that. If you got something on there, just there's another crappie.
Clearly I'm doing something wrong.
I love crappie fishing if you can find them. I think we're gonna let this one go. It's a little small, don't you think?
Yeah, he's borderline.
Borderline. He'll go back. If it's borderline for me. People will bobber fish and fish minnows and stuff.
What?
I said people will bobber fish and fish minnows, and that's fun if they're super active and whatnot, but this is also really fun casting plastics if you can get ones that are biting. All you gotta do is stay away from them a little ways like this and cast up into them so they aren't too spooked. And keep your rod tip up a little higher There you go. There's a bluegill. Oh, you got a bluegill just absolutely chasing you. Get out of there. And you can come stand back here too if you want. Crappie. A little small, but still fun to catch. Whoop, there goes my rod, almost in the lake. You can just see all the fish. Look at it. A lot of them are gills. A lot of them are gills. There's one. Bluegill. It's like a pink gill. You don't really have to set it, honestly. It's just, yep, go ahead. Yep, just, there you go. You got one. That's a crappie. Oh.
Oh, that's a crappie.
Yep.
Not a very big
I don't know about that. Get it in the boat. Get it in the boat in case it flops.
He's literally on there.
Yeah.
What do you think? Throw him back?
Let's see.
He's not terrible.
Yeah, throw him in there. What the hell?
Just whirl it on right there.
Yep. Want a picture with your first crappie in the boat?
I caught one before. It was just small.
Yeah. All you gotta do, I think the crappies, they're biting it off the bigger drops and pick up. Like that. Did you see what I did there?
Bringing it up higher and more up and down movement.
Yeah, more up and down vertical movement like that. Did you lose one?
No, I just had
Oh. And that one just chomped it as soon as I did that. That's a good eater. There you go.
Hey, okay.
Were you?
Coming out of nowhere, I was going up and down with it.
Yeah, that's a good one. Pull it in.
Alright.
That could go in the box. Heck yeah. Nice fish.
Let's see what.
We got the ticket. What's he got on? Oh, big smallie. Big smallie. Yeah, smallmouth. How many guys can fit in one little bay? Spring crappie's tough to beat because you can just pound them.
Come on, I'd like to catch one more.
Yeah.
It's been a while for me.
You gotta get at least one more.
Oh, I pulled it way too hard.
As you said that. I'm gonna hit that turtle.
Turtle soup tomorrow for lunch.
I almost put it right on the turtle's back. Come on, Tanner.
Hey, you know what? I just had the fish of my life.
Looks like your knot came undone.
Okay, maybe. Is that what the case was? Seriously? Yep.
Back.
Yeah, he's a little small.
Okay.
Yeah, we got.
You can go back.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna mix 50-50 original and then shoreline. Yeah, this bag's good enough. Be like yours a little spicy, not really.
I've never had it spicy, so you can make it however.
Good enough. I think that's the right thing. Just mix her up a little. I'm gonna take these, and I like these in little bite-sized pieces. A little bit bigger in bite-size, but bite-size. This is that fresh crappie we caught the other day. I'm just gonna cut a bunch of this up into chunks. Okay, got all that there. I'm gonna grab a plate. All I do is just throw one of these in here. Coat it. Dip it on. Both sides coated. And that's ready for deep fryer. So now my fingers are gonna get messy. You don't need a whole lot of this breading, honestly. Alright, so I got my first batch coated. Woohoo! I'm gonna throw it in the deep fryer and let her sizzle. This deep fryer we just moved in here. So let's see how it works. I can't do this one-handed. Alright, let's get some of these in here cooking. I cook all my fish at 350 in case nobody knows that or nobody else does. 350. Burn away a couple more of these in here. Alright. Yes, I know I could dump this out, but I'm doing it the hard way. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we just cooked up this fish. So good. But that's going to conclude this episode of Lured In Outdoors. We got some crappies. We got some nasty clouds coming in behind us, so it's going to rain for a couple days. But till next time, keep her tuned.